Hello, this is my 2011 Haro 200.1. Got Assault Plus 661 T6 alloy. I got the Arvoy. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's like Araya. I don't know. 9-tooth freewheel. I got an Animal purple seat post. I got the Haro seat. Don't know much about that. I still got that same seat post. And I got the Haro frame. I pretty much built the whole thing. I got the Haro, whatever it's called. I got the stock Haro stem. Got the stock Haro handlebars. I got the bottom bracket is pretty big. It's not different. It's a ghetto, I guess, and it's a KMC chain. An Animal ASM just got that 2 nights ago. And I totaled my back rim. I smashed it because I was trying to trick. Smashed it, and I had to respoke it. $8 because they didn't do it right. And the front is all chrome, not did right. It's unsealed bearings in the headset, or whatever this part is called. Sealed bearings right there. Sealed bearings back there. This is a Quando hub. And that's my gay friend.